Scanning electron microscope SEM. The SEM is used electron instead of light. लाइट के जगह पे इलेक्ट्रॉन का यूज होता है टू गेट अ क्लियरेंस इमेज. ये क्लियरेंस इमेज को दिखाता है. द SEM हैज अलाउ रिसर्च ऑफ एग्जामिन अ मच बिगर वेराइटीज ऑफ स्पेसिमेन. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े स्पेसिमेंस को उसको बहुत ज़्यादा जो रिसर्च में यूज़ करते हैं ना उसको हाई करके वो दिखाता है बहुत बिगर. द SEM यूज्ड फॉर फोकस्ड बीम ऑफ हाई एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रॉन टू जनरेट अ सॉलिड specimen. The signal that derive from electron sample interaction reveals information about the sample interactions reveals information about the sample including external morphology, texture, topography, chemical compositions and crystalline structure of orientate of material making the sample. The SEM is also capable of performing analysis of selection point location for the sample. SEM is also capable performing analyzed selected point location for a sample. This approach is especially useful in quantitatively or semi-quantitatively determine chemical composition, crystalline structure and orientations. Area ranking approximately 1 to 5 microns in width can be imaged and in scanning mode using conventional SEM technique. Fundamental principle. Accelerated electron is SEM carrying significant amount of kinetic energy, and this energy is dissipated as a varieties of signal produced by electron sample. This signal include that produce SEM image back scattered electron FBSE, diffracted DBSE that are used to determine in the field of light crystal structure and orientate of minerals, photo visible light. Secondary electron NBSE are commonly used for imaging samples. Second electron are most variable for showing morphology and topography. Topography sample BSE are most variable illustrating constant. फिर है salient feature of SEM. Electron beam is used instead of light. Electron magnifying power is very large. Electromagnetic lens are used in SEM in place of glass lens. Electron wavelength is -0.05 nanometer. Living cell specimen are not seen under SEM. In large image structure, topography may be obtained without sectioning cutting. Lower and diameter of electron beam, higher will be the resolutions. High current density may be produce better information. Lower the spending electron, better image information. फिर SEM is following electron gun source, electromagnetic lens, sample strand, director unit for all type of signal display for data output device. Requirements: a goal, strong power supply, a vacuum system should be well organized, vibration free floor, cooling system free from ambient magnetic and electric field. Here limitations: sample must be solid and placed into the microscope. Sample sample must be through fixed process. Electron gun coil, lens 1, lens 2, scanning coil. It is very costly and very careful used.